We are in lockdown 4.0 and have to do most of our work from home since 2 months. Eye is not only the most widely used but rather abused organ during this pandemic. The current scenarios are suggesting that we have to adjust ourselves to live with corona for a bit longer. Because of this situation, our dependency on electronic gadgets will further increase. Did you know? More than 80% of long-term computer users may suffer from computer vision syndrome or CVS. The complex of eye and vision problems related to nearsight are experienced during computer, tablet, e-reader or smartphone use. Some symptoms of CVS are eye strain, headache, blurred vision, dry eye, burning sensation, neck pain and shoulder pain. So what is the solution?
The solution is Ayurveda. A. Take a break. Why? Yoga for eye. U. Understand work ethics. R. Regimen. V. Value vision. E. Eye blinking. D. Diet and drugs.
A stands for take a break. Follow 20-20-20 rule. Take 15 minutes break after 1 to 2 hours of computer or smartphone usage.
Y stands for yoga, which includes palming, convergence exercises, Tratakarm and Surya Namaskar.
U stands for understand work ethics. Clean or wipe the screen before use. Use anti-glare screen of the gadgets. Keep contrast and brightness at moderate level. Use low resolution screen. Screen should be 4 to 5 inches below the eye level and 30 to 35 inches away from the eye. Avoid small font size. Use comfortable chairs. Don't get too close or lean forward to the screen. Don't use smartphones while lying down. No overhead light source should be there. Window should be on side and covered with curtains. Indoor light reflection should not fall on the screen.
R stands for regimen. Don't touch or rub your eyes frequently. Always wear corrected spectacles with anti-reflective coating. Restrict yourself not to use any gadget 1 hour prior to sleep. Keep the smartphone away while sleeping and drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day.
V stands for value vision. After awakening, it is advised to fill mouth with water and simultaneously wash your eyes with water or Triphala water. Nasal oleation. 2 drops of sesame oil or coconut oil or ghee should be smeared in both nostrils twice daily. Massage your foot with tail or ghee before sleep.
E stands for eye blinks. While using electronic gadgets, perform 10 slow, voluntary blinks to spread the tear film evenly.
D stands for diet and drugs. Eat wheat, barley and red rice. Prefer moong dal over other cereals. Have green leafy vegetables like spinach, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, unripe banana, coriander, aloe vera, suran, parval, bathua and other vegetables like brinjal, radish, garlic, carrot, beetroot, drumstick, etc. in diet. Drink milk daily. Oil or ghee. Use sesame oil, soya bean oil, sunflower oil, butter or cow ghee. Fruits. Take pomegranate, papaya, grapes, apples, guava and orange in diet. Almond and walnut are also advised. Sweetening agent. Use honey or jaggery. Salt, rock salt is preferred.
Ayurvedic drugs that can relieve CVS are Chyawanprash, Saptamrit Law, Ashwagandha, Shatavari, Avla, Munakka, Khas, Chandan, Lodru, Daru Haridra and Harak. These drugs have to be taken strictly under supervision.
In the end, stay home, stay safe.
Thank you.